Two restaurants, same street, same kind of food. One has a line out the door and a patio people are filming. The other, honestly, the better kitchen, sits half full on a Friday night. So, what's the difference? It is in the food. It's one system. I call it the content flywheel. And no, it isn't post more. It isn't hiring an intern. It isn't downloading another scheduler. You've tried those. Here's the part that should sting. The better your food and the busier your service, the faster your account dies. Because by day three, the kitchen wins and quietly you go invisible. I call that the day three drop off. So here's the deal I'll make with you: more engagement and at least 10 hours back in your first 30 days, or we work free. Give me the next 8 minutes and I'll show you exactly how the flywheel runs without you. Let me level with you. This engine already runs on Instagram, on Facebook, on Google. Real food businesses, real feeds. There's a self serve version, a tool thousands of operators run themselves. But that's not what I'm offering you today. What I'm offering is the done for you tier. We took the engine that works and put our team behind the wheel. You don't operate it, you don't learn it. We pull out your voice, we build the engine around your kitchen, we run it, you approve. Stay in the kitchen. We'll handle the feed. You're good, genuinely good at what you make. Years on the line, a dish people drive across town for. And yet, when it comes to being seen, you're a ghost. You try. It's 10 at night. The last table's gone. You pick up the phone and post a photo. It does okay. Next night, 11 p.m., dead on your feet, you try to think of something clever to say about a soup. And by day three, the kitchen wins. It always wins. The account goes quiet for 2 weeks. That's the day three drop off. And here's the part that actually stings: it's not the cooking, it's posting into the void. You put up a dish you're proud of, something you've spent years getting right, and almost nobody sees it. So you start to wonder, maybe content just doesn't work for a place like mine. You pull back, and the dining room gets a little quieter. Now look down the street. There's that other spot. Your food is better, you source better, you plate better, but them? They're everywhere. On your customers' phones at 11 am, right when lunch gets decided. Patio full, people filming it. They didn't beat you on the plate, they beat you on the feed. The real problem has a name. I call it the day three drop off. In one sentence, every run at posting consistently collapses by the third night. Because the kitchen always wins, and the algorithm reads that gap as death. So your visibility decays to zero right when your service is good enough to eat all your hours. You can't out hustle it. A schedule beats a human every time. So you don't beat it, you get a system. We call it the content flywheel. In one sentence, it turns the moments already happening in your kitchen into 20 plus local posts a month across Instagram, Facebook, and Google in your voice that you only have to approve. But first, we extract your voice, your cuisine, your vibe, your neighborhood, the things you'd never say. Built once, stays forever. So everything that comes out reads as you, not a robot saying, now serving. Turn 1, discover. We find what's already earning attention with local diners right now. The angles people in your area react to. This isn't invention, it's intelligence. Turn 2, repurpose. You don't write posts, you just tell us what's happening in the kitchen. Cardamom croissants the special Thursday. Country loaf drops Saturday. We sell out by 10:30. That's it. The system writes the caption in your voice. Turn 3, publish. One moment becomes 3. Instagram gets the visual hook. Facebook gets the fuller version. Google Business stays fed because that's your local search ranking. Turn 4, approve. Nothing publishes without your yes. Each post lands on your phone. You tap approve. About 15 minutes a week. That's the whole job. Discover, repurpose, publish, approve. Your kitchen feeds the content. The content feeds local discovery. Local discovery feeds your tables. Now I want to talk to the owner who already knows all this and is still stuck. You're not lazy. You're busy being excellent at the actual job, making the food, running the room. And that's the day 3 drop off closing around you. The better your service, the less bandwidth you have for the phone. So the gap between how good your food is and how seen your restaurant is keeps getting wider. The best plate in the neighborhood losing to the best feed in the neighborhood. Every quiet week, the place down the street, with worse food but a working system, eats the lunch decision that should have been yours. You don't have a food problem, you have a system problem. And a system problem has a solution. So here's exactly how this plan works. You don't hire anyone. You don't learn a tool. The AI drives, you just approve. Here's what you get: unlimited content creation. You bring your own AI key, so you're never capped on what you can make. Up to 2,000 posts a month across Instagram, Facebook, and Google. And you're not starting from a blank screen. Your power launch is done with you. We build your restaurant's brand voice into the engine, connect your channels, set up your key, and ship your first batch of posts live with you. After that, the AI runs the calendar. It writes, it formats, it times every post. You get an AI assistant and bot delivery right on your phone. You glance, you approve, it goes out. 15 minutes a week. The AI does the driving. Now compare that. A part time social manager runs you a couple grand a month and still needs you to feed it. Our fully managed done for you tier, where our team runs everything, starts at 1500 a month. The power plan, 149 a month. Same engine, the AI behind the wheel instead of a team. And you don't risk a thing to start. Power comes with a 14-day free trial. Your setups charge today, your first month doesn't begin for 14 days, and you can cancel anytime, setup included, fully refunded if you cancel in the first 14 days. So you see the engine running in your own voice, your posts, your channels before you ever pay a monthly dime. That's how confident we are. Once you watch the AI ship a week of content for you, you won't want to go back to doing it at 11 at night. So here's what to do. Click the button below this video. It starts your 14-day power trial. You bring your AI key, we run your done with you launch, and your first posts go live in your restaurant's voice. No team to hire, no tool to master. The AI drives, you approve. 90 days from now, one of two things is true. Either you're still posting at midnight, hoping, or the AI has been quietly filling your feed and your tables while you cook. Stay in the kitchen. Let the AI handle the feed. Start your trial below.